The system box range allows any case to be configured to fit all variations of contents. Bring exactly what is needed and nothing more. If there are empty spaces, no need to worry, as all system boxes will stay in place. How, you ask? The system cases have a ridged floor that connects with the system boxes. The clear lid system case also provides further stability by the lid's inner structure that connects with the top ridge of the system box. This also prevents contents from mixing. This top ridge on the system box also allows those boxes to be stacked, making it easy to carry a few items here and there if required. System boxes are made from strong ABS plastic, and most system boxes also have a lip which allows it to be hung from the system rail or on the edge of a cart or workstation. This keeps your surface area clear while conveniently keeping your parts accessible. These boxes can be brought to a workstation and returned, controlling workspace organization and managing supplies. Larger system boxes can be further segmented using dividers, providing more flexibility with the ongoing changes of a job. System boxes give the option to pick and choose exactly what is needed for a specific task. Just pick and click.